Get ready with me to explore Hammam el-Basha. This is an 18th century Turkish bathhouse in Akko. And back then, it was one of the hottest places to be. Between pampering spa treatments and massages, the who and who of the Ottoman elite gathered here to gossip, do business, and just have fun. The bathhouse guests have been since frozen in time, and this museum in Akko allows visitors to experience what used to be the ultimate beauty routine.